how to fix TikTok video under review problem. So if you want to fix your TikTok video under review problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy, and then you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of help center. So tap on help center. From the help center, you need to tap on report a problem. Now here you need to scroll down and then go with need more help. And it will take you to the support ticket section. Go with support ticket, which will be in the top right, and you will have your support ticket. Or if you don't find it, here you need to just simply go with an issue type. So I'll just simply go with post. And here you need to write that TikTok video under review problem. Just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see that if your TikTok video is under review, you may encounter a notification such as this video is under review and can be shared right now. So the post is being processed at the top of your post. You just need to simply wait for a few minutes because your TikTok video is being reviewed in accordance with the community guidelines to ensure a safe environment for everyone. So within a few minutes or within a few seconds, your problem will be fixed. Make sure that you have an internet connection and it will be easier for you and will be done in no time. That's how you can fix your TikTok video under review problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.